Amsterdam's AMS airport lounge options are great, but the real action is in the city just 17 minutes away. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for AMS. Getting around from AMS is easy. The NS Sprinter train takes you to the city in 17 minutes for 5 one way, or grab a rideshare for about $40 to $50 in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your layover in Amsterdam, stay at the airport. Start by clearing customs and collecting any bags, then head straight to the Rijksmuseum Schiphol in Holland Boulevard, the only airport museum of Dutch masters in the world. Next, grab traditional Dutch pancakes at Dutch Kitchen for a proper taste of the Netherlands. After eating, relax at the airport library with international newspapers, then finish with some plane spotting from the Panorama Terrace before heading to your gate. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore for your Amsterdam layover. Clear customs, then hop on the NS Sprinter train to Amsterdam Central Station. From there, walk to Dam Square for quick photos with the Royal Palace, then grab the city's most famous fries at Mannequin Peas. Next, take a 1-hour canal cruise to see the UNESCO Canal Ring and houseboats. After the cruise, stroll along Herengracht for classic Amsterdam views before catching the train back to AMS with plenty of time for your flight. 16 hours? That's a full day in Amsterdam for your Amsterdam airport layover. After customs, train into the city and start with Dutch pancakes at Pancakes Amsterdam for a sit-down breakfast. Then visit the Rijksmuseum to see the Dutch Masters collection, followed by a canal cruise through the historic waterways. Next, explore the charming Jordan neighborhood with its boutiques and cafes. Grab dinner at Loche Centraal for proper Dutch steak, then stroll through the Albert Kuip Market for stroopwafels and local atmosphere before heading back to the airport relaxed and satisfied. Budget breakdown: 4 hours costs about $15 staying at the airport. 8 hours costs about $39 with a quick city trip, and the full day runs about $76, including transit, 2 meals, and museum entry. A few tips. First, buy train tickets at yellow NS machines, credit cards accepted. Second, the Rijksmuseum Schiphol is free and behind security. Third, book Anne Frank House tickets online in advance if visiting. Planning an Amsterdam layover. Full guide at Yopki.com, link below.